Hello, and welcome to Quarantine Talk. I'm your host today. My name's Rory, and we're coming to you from Corona, California, home of Allied Expedition, Advanced Accessory Concepts, and not the coronavirus, just us. Today we're going to be talking about our 2019 and up Ford Ranger Badged Elite Honeycomb Grill. So this grill comes standard without lights, but we have added our light kit. This is a factory grill replacement, so it deletes your factory Ford emblem, gives you the nice clean mesh look, so no branding. Some people don't like the badging. And then, like I said, we have added our optional LED light kit. These come with all of your mounting hardware necessary, but not the lights. You can add the lights, which I'm going to show you now. These mount on studs that are on the back side of this. If you have an aftermarket grill, maybe like a Raptor style grill that has these studs, our lights will work for your application. Keep that in mind. So we don't sell the Raptor style grill, just the Badged Elite grill, but the lights should work with your application if you have those mounting studs on them. Now, this is a amber white LED light kit. So we have two different wiring harnesses. We have our main wiring harness, which is for the white lights, and then we've added our sequential amber lights where you can turn these into turn signals or use them just as ambers. So I'm going to flip this back over, show you how this works. So we'll start by hooking up our ground on our white LEDs, and I'm just using an Optima battery with a couple alligator clamps to demonstrate this, but most likely you're going to hook this up to a keyed switch. Probably a regular rocker switch or a trigger controller even, to turn these on. These are a great little light, actually a good driving light. I'm not going to say it's street legal. That's used at your own discretion. So there's our white light, and then the yellow wires. There is actually 4 because this middle of the wire is split into 2. So let's figure out. So this is our left side. Driver's side. So when we hook these two up together, you could hook these two up together, tap them into your signal wire for your left or driver turn signal, and these are sequential. Same thing with the right side. We can hook these two together and make these sequential, or if you just wanted to run them all as amber as a dust light, you can hook them all together. And we've got amber now. When we've got this, white always overrides, I think. No, amber overrides white. There we go. And if we disconnect that, it will go back to white, and vice versa. Pretty easy. It is a little more intuitive on the wiring side, but nothing a couple hours in quarantine can't fix. These are available on our retail website, alliedexpedition.com. The grill is going for $199.99, and the light kits are $59.99. So for $260, have a nice Badged Elite grill with a set of lights. If you've already got a grill with those anchors, you can have a nice set of LED lights for about $60. Shipped to your door. Once again, alliedexpedition.com. 2019 and up Ford Ranger Badged Elite grill.